Students, how are you all? Hope you all are fine in your houses. I am also fine here, students. Okay, shall we come back to our lesson in accountancy? We were learning the second lesson, that accounts for not-for-profit organization. Okay, there we have learned how to prepare the receipts and payments account. Okay, now we are learning how to prepare the income and expenditure account. Okay, so in this income and expenditure account, we have to take only the expenditure and income related to that particular year. Okay, that particular year only. Okay, and one more thing you have to remember, that is, we have to take only the revenue nature of expenditure and income. Okay, here if whether we have received or paid for that particular year, we should not bother whether it is incurred. Okay, whether we have not paid also, you don't worry. If it is related to that year, we have to add that as outstanding expense. Okay, then income also in the same way. If it is accrued, we have to include that one. Okay, here revenue nature of the expenditure and income should be taken in this account. Revenue nature means that will occur again and again or yearly in the business. Okay, recurring in nature, that is called revenue nature. Okay, non-recurring expenditure we have learned, isn't it? Purchase of books, then purchase of office equipments, then the purchase of any assets, okay, or investment made. All these are the capital expenditure. We may not include them in this income and expenditure account. Okay, so only these two things you have to remember in the income and expenditure. But in the receipts and payments account, we will enter all the years receipts and payments and both the capital and revenue nature of expenditure and income. But here we should omit one, what, that the previous year's income and expenditure, the next year's income and expenditure we should omit here, and the capital receipt and capital expenditure we should omit here. Okay, we should not include them. Okay, then for any outstanding on the basis of accrual basis, we have to add for any outstanding expenses and the income, and we should deduct that expense we have paid in advance and we received in advance, income received in advance. Okay, that much alone. It will be easy for you. I will show you the that format. Okay, I will send you that one for you just to have a glance. Okay, then you will understand. See the income and expenditure format given. Okay, you see in the debit side we write all the expenditure, credit side all income. You see the expenditure: salaries, charities, rent, donation paid, stationery. Then that loss on sale of asset. I have told you purchase of asset and sale of asset also will not become, but at the time of selling asset, any profit or loss can be entered in this income and expenditure account. Okay, if it is loss, we have to write on the debit side as loss on sale of asset. Then if it is profit, you see the around the last item, credit side, profit on sale of asset. Then come to the debit side, depreciation. Then the last one, income over expenditure. Then credit side, all income: subscription, donation received, admission fee received, grant received. Grant they have considered as revenue income. Okay. Then rent received, interest received, then profit on sale of asset. Then if it is that expenditure is more, we will get this side, credit side, as deficit. Bracket you should write excess of expenditure over income. Then if the income is over, we will get on the debit side as surplus, excess of income over expenditure. That's all. Now you see the illustration. From the following receipts and payments account of Ooty Recreation Club, prepare income and expenditure account for the year ended 31st March 2018. Okay, question given: opening balance, cash in hand, then rent received. sale of investment, subscription received, sports material purchased, stationery paid, computer purchased, salaries, closing balance, cash in hand. So first one we should omit these two. Opening balance of cash in hand and closing balance of cash in hand we may not include. Okay, then the receipts will appear in the income and expenditure account, payments will appear in the expenditure. Okay, so we will take first receipts. To rent received. So here by rent received. Sale of investment will not come. Purchase of investment this side we should not take. Sale of investment we should not take. Okay, then subscription received will come. Okay, then this side sports materials purchased. Sports materials purchased we can write. Okay, sports equipments purchased only will not come. Okay, then payments we have to write on the expenditure side, debit side. Okay, buy sports materials purchased will come. Then stationery paid, yes. But computer purchased will not come because it is an asset. Salaries also will come. Okay, that's all. Then we have to, no adjustment given. So find out the balance. Here it is surplus. Okay, because income is more. So surplus bracket you should write excess of income over expenditure. Okay, we will see the seventh illustration. From the following receipts and payments account of Trichy Recreation Club, prepare income and expenditure account for the year ended 31st March 2018. Okay, receipts. Opening balance, cash in hand, dividend received, sale of old newspaper, member subscription, locker rent, interest on investment, sale of furniture. Furniture purchased, rent, secretary's honorarium, postage, general expenses, printing and stationery, audit fees. Here receipts what and all will come. This will not come, isn't it? Then dividend received, yes. Okay. Sale of old newspaper, yes. Member subscription, yes. Locker rent, yes. Interest on investment, yes. That here sale of furniture will not come, but book value given. Here profit or loss on sale will come. So here we will check. The book value 4,400, but we have sold for 5,000. So 600 is the gain. So profit on sale of furniture we can write on the credit side, on the income side. Okay, then here payments will come on the debit side, isn't it? Rent. Furniture purchased will not come. Rent will come. Secretary's honorarium come. Postage comes. General expenses comes. Printing and stationery, yes. Audit fees, yes. Okay, you see how it is done. You see whatever we have told, it is written. Okay, profit on sale of furniture also on the credit side. Then the deficit. Okay, expenditure more. So deficit bracket excess of expenditure over income we have to write. Now we will see the two exercise. Okay, then afterwards we will learn the differences between receipts and payments account and income and expenditure account. So let us see first the problem. Okay. From the following receipts and payments account of Tenkasi Thiruvalluvar Mandram, prepare income and expenditure account for the year ended 31st March 2019. Opening balance of cash in hand, then interest received, subscription, legacies, entrance fees, sale of furniture. Here sale of furniture 16,000, book value 17,000, we are selling for 16 less. So this is loss on sale of furniture. That expenditure side we should write. Then salaries, rent, traveling expense, printing and stationery. All these are revenue. But investment made will not come. Then same sports equipment purchased. This both will not come. Okay, this also won't come. Okay, shall we do this one? I am using only one page, but you have to use both the pages. Okay. You will write first number. Okay, 6. In the books of Tenkasi Thiruvalluvar Mandram. Okay, income and expenditure account. You have to write fully. Okay. For the year ended 31st March 2019. Use both the pages. Left hand side, that expenditure. Here income. Then amount. Then first we have to remove the opening balance of cash in hand. Then we will write first receipts. Okay. Here income on income side. Interest received by interest received 5,000. Subscription 55,000. Legacies is a capital receipt. We should not write. Okay, by entrance fees 7,000. Then furniture we have sold for 16,000 but book value 17,000. So that one loss. Okay, that we should write here. Okay, we will write, otherwise we will forget. 2. Loss on sale of furniture 1,000. Okay, now debit side. Salaries 20,000. By rent. So to rent 24,000. Traveling expenses. You write fully, okay? By printing and stationery 6,000. Then investment made and sports equipment purchased we cannot enter. Closing balance of cash in hand also we cannot enter. Now we will see the balance. Okay, here only more, isn't it? So add and write. 0, 0. 0, 0, then 3 also 0. 10 plus 7, 17, balance 1, 67,000. Then 2, surplus. You have to write excess of income over expenditure. You have to write fully. Now you will balance. 2, 3, then 4, 6, 12, 13, 13, 13 plus 4, 17. Balance 1. 3, 3 plus 5, 5 plus 1, 6. Okay, so 14,000. Okay, that is surplus on account over. Now we will see the next problem. From the following receipts and payments account, prepare income and expenditure account of Kumbakonam Basketball Association for the year ended 31st March 2018. Receipts, opening balance of cash in hand, cash at bank. Rent of hall received, subscription received, life membership fees, then locker rent received, then rent of ground paid. Here the life membership fees only we should not take, that is capital receipt. Okay, then rent of ground paid, printing charges, bank charges, insurance for building, tournament expense, audit fees, sports materials purchased, all these are what? Revenue expenditure. This one only will not come. Okay, shall we do this one? In the same page we will do. Okay, number 7. In the books of Kumbakonam Basketball Association. Basketball Association. Income and expenditure account for the year ended 31st March 2018. 18. Here expenditure rupees, income rupees. Okay, first receipt side we will write on the income side. Rent of hall received. Rent of hall 6,000. Next one, subscription received. By subscription 9,000. Life membership fees received. Life membership fees will not come, isn't it? Next one, locker rent received 2,000. Then payment, rent of ground paid. Rent of ground 12,000. Printing charges 5,000. Bank charges 1,000. Insurance for building. Insurance 2,000. Tournament expense 16,000. Audit fees 4,000. Okay. Now, which side more? Here 16, 12 and all coming. Here one less, isn't it? So we will write it this one only. 7, 8, 10, 16, 19, 23. Balance 2, 3, 4. 43,000. So here it is deficit. Bracket, excess of expenditure over income. Okay, then we will find out the difference. Deficit 0, 0, 0. Then fourth digit 15, 17. 17 plus 6, 23. Balance 2. So 2. So 26,000 is the answer. Okay. So we have completed 2 exercise and 2 illustrations. These 4 problems you have to see. Okay. Do and see these problems. I will send you the pages. Okay. That 8th problem I will send the whole page. This one fully. Then next time I will send only the next page. Okay. So you have to do these problems again and see whether you are able to understand. Okay, students. Thank you very much.